Good morning all of you. Today we are going to practice lecture 8. Lecture 8 is the first task of your GTO. First confirmatory task of your GTO. That means it will be the first task in the GTO जहाँ पे आप पहली बार अकेले perform करेंगे in front of your group members. In the lecture 8, the procedure is quite simple. You will have to come forward, pick a card. In that card you will find 4 topics. उस कार्ड में आपको 4 टॉपिक मिलेंगे in the decreasing order of their hard level. मतलब कि फर्स्ट टॉपिक जो है वो आपका दैट विल बी अबव एवरेज लेवल टॉपिक, सेकंड एंड थर्ड टॉपिक विल बी अ बिलो एवरेज लेवल टॉपिक और द एवरेज लेवल टॉपिक, एंड द लास्ट लेवल विल बी मोस्ट सर्टेनली विल बी अ बिलो एवरेज लेवल टॉपिक. इसका ऑर्डर कहीं कहीं कुछ बोर्ड में ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. इट इज नॉट अ फिक्स पैटर्न. फर्स्ट लेवल ऑफ टॉपिक मीन्स लाइक इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन, इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाइक UNO, इंडो रशिया रिलेशनशिप, NPT, दिस काइंड ऑफ लेवल ऑफ टॉपिक्स विल बी देयर, जिसके बारे में आपको एडिक्वेट अमाउंट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन होनी ज़रूरी है. सेकेंड एंड थर्ड विल बी एवरेज लेवल टॉपिक, जिसको किसी भी वेल अवेयर्ड इंसान के उसके बारे में पता होगा, लाइक करप्शन हो गया, को एजुकेशन हो गया. दिस काइंड ऑफ टॉपिक्स विल बी देयर लाइक सेक्युलरिज्म इन इंडिया. एंड द लास्ट टॉपिक विल बी बिलो एवरेज लेवल टॉपिक, जिसपे कोई भी इंसान कभी भी बोल सकता है फॉर 3 मिनट दैट इज माई फेवरेट बुक, माई फेवरेट पर्सन, माई फेवरेट मोमेंट. दिस काइंड ऑफ टॉपिक्स विल बी देयर. What you will have to do is you will have to come pick a card. फिर वहाँ पे आपको ग्रुप से थोड़ा दूर जाना होगा and GT will give you 3 minutes for preparation. 3 मिनट आपको प्रिपरेशन का टाइम मिलेगा. You will have to choose any one topic among these 4 topic and you will have to then speak in front of your group members for 3 minutes. That means 3 minutes for preparation, 3 minutes for speaking. इसका जो टाइम इंडिकेशन होगा, GT एक बार प्रोसीजर स्टार्ट होने के बाद he will not interfere you. After 2 minutes 30 seconds he will ring a single bell. That will be indication for the person standing in front of you that only 30 seconds are left. So उसको अपने स्पीच के कंक्लूजन की तरफ आना है. After completion of the 3 minutes, he will ring double bell. जो इंडिकेशन होगा आपके जो यहाँ पे खड़े होकर बोल रहा है, the time is over, you have to sit down. When the GT will ring a single bell, that is after 2 minutes 30 seconds, will be indication for 3 person. The person who is standing in front of you, who is speaking, that will take indication for him that he has to come to a conclusion. Just next chess number को उठ के आना है, he will come, pick a card and go away from the group. और जो दूर में ऑलरेडी प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है वो आके पीछे खड़ा हो जाएगा साइड में. After the completion of the 3 minutes, ये शांत होकर बैठ जाएगा. The next person will start speaking, and the procedure will repeat again and again till the last chess number. Is the procedure clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
The best way to perform lecture 8 is that कि जब आप बाहर प्रिपरेशन करने जाएं, it is not possible for you कि आप 3 मिनट की प्रिपरेशन में इंटायर 3 मिनट का समरी को आप कलेक्ट करके दिमाग में याद करके बोल पाए. So the best way is that कि divide your lecture into 3 major parts. The first 30 seconds will be of introduction. The next 2 minutes will be the body part of the lecture 8, and the last 30 seconds will be the conclusion part. In the introduction part, you have to just speak about the topic, what that topic means, उसका definition actual क्या है literal meaning में. The body part will contain all the important questions like what, where, when and how. And the last 30 seconds will be your way forward, कि what government should do or what currently the government is doing right now to eradicate the problem, and what other reforms should be taken according to your perception. Is that clear? In any condition, at any condition, all of you will try to cover at least that first ring bell, that is 2 minutes 30 seconds से ज़्यादा आपको किसी भी कंडीशन में बोलना है. It is not necessary कि आप exact 3 मिनट पे ही कंप्लीट करें. If somehow you are able to cross the barrier of 2 minutes 45 seconds, that is also acceptable. The choice of topic is not that important. How you deliver the something is more important. It is a test of your personality. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं भी बता पा रहे, then also it is acceptable. But आप जिस तरीके से बोल रहे हैं, that is more of a concern. आपको assessment हो रहा है, that is on the power of expression, self confidence, other of the personality factors. Officer like quality में कहीं पे भी knowledge का factor नहीं आता. So all of you have to focus कि जिस topic में आप comfortable हैं उसको choose करें. Like I myself chose the 3rd level topic, still got clearly recommendation. So that is a clear cut indication for all of you कि choice of topic से ज़्यादा matter करेगा कि आप किस तरीके से इस topic की delivery कर रहे हैं. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start the procedure?
Good morning, gentlemen. Today my lecture topic is women empowerment. When I was a kid, my mother used to tell me a statement which I never understood at that time. That was yatra naryante pujyante ramante tatra devata. But when I started going to my school, then I came to know about it. That means that a place where a woman is being worshipped is a residence of God. Now, I was in class 6th or 7th when I came to know this, and I was very amused by this thought that how can this be possible? So, after gaining more and more education in my later classes, I came to know about the various incidents of our ancient India, where Lakshman couldn't recognize the earrings and the ornaments of the mouths of goddess Sita because he has never looked at her face. And Arjuna neglected to marry with the Apsara of the in the premises because he was very committed to his wife. So there are numerous examples that we can take from our ancient history, we can take from our Vedic culture, that how we were all committed to our women, how we were all having a great respect and great sincerity towards women. But by seeing the normal condition that we are witnessing today, we can say that our rights, the rights of women has been exaggerated. Women respect in our youngsters. So that, thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is co-education. I will divide the part in three parts. First of all, the introduction, what is co-education, how it is important, why it is important, and the conclusion. So co-education means the study or taking education in society. The boys and girls are taking education together. That is means co-education.
Good morning friends. Today's my lecture topic is G7 countries. The G7 country, we all know that the group of 7 countries, and the group 7 countries the foundation of the group 7 countries in 1975. But there were only six countries there: United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy, and the USA and Japan. This is very important.
stop.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, my friends. My lecture topic is global warming. Humans have developed the system and machine that make our life easier. With the development of the country, there are many dangerous effects of the quality of the Earth's surface. Misuse of the natural resources are the core reason for the deteriorating condition of the planet. Global warming refers the rapid increase the temperature of the Earth's environment that is causing many life-threatening issues. Global warming gives the dangerous effect on our Earth's quality that we are facing these days. Rapid industrialization, deforestation, and increases pollution are the core reason to increase the global warming.
Stop.
Good morning, friends. Today, the topic of my lecturate is leadership crisis, and I will be covering this topic into 4 parts. First, I will define the topic, then I will give evidences, the reasons behind it, and at last, I will give the practical solutions to remove this crisis. So, what is leadership crisis? Friends, India being a country with huge population and a country with highest number of population of youth, it is seen that it is still a developing nation. So I think there is a lack of people in our country who can lead the country towards development. They are many. So this is all. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. Today my topic is religious fundamentalism. So let's see what are the reasons behind this. So when we see that in today's day, many people they are extremely fanatic toward their religion, they are
Just number 34. Choose the second topic. Stammering काफ़ी हो रही है. You have to work on the power of expression. The tone of the voice, that is kind of monotonous. काफ़ी अटक के बोल रहे हो. You have to work on that. Be more fluent and breathe properly. Somewhere your breathing is not perfect. So whenever you try to speak, take proper breathing. Sentence के end में breathe ताकि आपका जो tone है बोलने का, that will be more fluent. Content की कमी थी. You spoke only for 1 minute 46 seconds. So you have to work on that as well. So number 92. Your energy level was quite low. The content was good. थोड़ा सा enthusiasm और energy के साथ और बोलना है. The time was 3 minutes. Overall performance was good. बस थोड़ा सा energy और enthusiasm पे work करना है. Power of expression is also improved significantly. Good work. 79. Energy level again was quite low. You have to be more energetic and enthusiasm थोड़ा और चाहिए. Fillers सारे हल्के फुल्के. Power of expression पहले से काफ़ी improvement show हुई है. Enthusiasm पे थोड़ा और work करना है. एंड बॉडी जो है वो आगे पीछे हल्का फुल्का मूव कर रही है, तो यू हैव टू ऑल्सो वर्क ऑन द बॉडी लैंग्वेज. द टाइम यू स्पोक वॉज 2 minutes 15 seconds. टाइम थोड़ा सा भी और बढ़ाना होगा. नंबर 84. टॉपिक चॉइस का था हेड मूवमेंट हल्की फुल्की हो रही बात करते टाइम. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज ओके. द पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन द कंटेंट वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. यू स्पोक फॉर एंटायर 3 minutes. ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस वॉज गुड. बस थोड़ा सा हेड पे थोड़ा सा और कंट्रोल रखना ताकि हल्का सा डिसिप्लिन बॉडी पोस्चर वहाँ पे लगे. जस्ट नंबर 51. एक्सेंट पे और प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे वर्क करना है. बी मोर नेचुरल एंड कंफर्टेबल विथ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. आई कॉन्टैक्ट कहीं कहीं ब्रेक हो जा रहा है ग्रुप के साथ. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट. और कंटेंट लेकिन वॉज गुड. कंटेंट वॉज गुड. यू स्पोक फॉर 3 minutes. कंटेंट वॉज ओके. बस थोड़ा सा एक्सेंट और प्रोनाउंसिएशन में बोलना. बी मोर कंफर्टेबल विथ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. Okay, so this was a practice of lecturate for all of you. Thank you all.